Hi everybody, I'm going to welcome to the class today. I'm going to talk about class 7 English lesson number 6 course book. Adu mo parama khangni aiba parasi mamina the selfie zen. Parasida tangsin bengaida aina khoida wahang ama hange na khoi taw ko. Na khoi na kana mo nuksina luna sana tawra bana trina khallaba. Makhoi na sanamanda kari khalakani. Nangbo nuksina luna sana luna rakane ba. Yamna live khudam da nang nangi na latta le jiba ma da luna to matam da khoina jiba duna engonda test to napsin be hele ko adugumba khoina aina mongonda nusiba bi de mana engonda sunu si suritan to ba adugumba gi matang da utpa parama khangi na si khoina tamdori se ngasi ki parasi khoina si ai si matang da mu yeng si ko parasi naina kadin ai si matang su kai kidan khang badai ka ro du kai parasi da kari kari maroi ba sum khamba ya ba kana bisin yaw ge ai ju share to ke ko khoi ngasi parasi ai bise Oscar Wilde have ne ko Oscar Wilde ge sing mami se dane ko Oscar Wilde ge sing mami si sudah lele Oscar Fingal o Flighty Wheels Wilde have ni mag sing mami si ko amuka ge Oscar Fingal o Flighty Wheels Wilde have ko masi Ireland machani koina Irish ha khangnei aduga mana kari kari khoi ngasi khoi itamdre parasing thata kari kari thabak torami sing wari ten sing thata kari langge ba mase novelist ni wari asang bai ba ko as well as playwright drama misu oi aduga poet kavi su oi and critic have de koina a sort of literary piece sama madu thorpaganda madu fazai thi ga fazai kum basun nei ne je my machal si awi kholi ka nei na ba adu mami saga makhane adu ngasi gi parasi su khoina very simple but very interesting haba amma oide ne yam di chamba adu ga yam nadi nungai ba parama khane title su yam phajana thole ko adu gi matang dai horen dum tan raja ba ka na khoi de loi ning changa ke adu ga parasi samai to ba khoina tamdar selfie zainji masik asena madu ba so basang boleh mana te koi wali macam ni angang sing mana phone wali macam ni ba hai wali macam si wali macam manga koi na slow short story hai ba wali macam manga na kuch laga sem ba du wali ki laga madi ki lok thorak pani sidne to the happy prince and other tales hai ba wali ki lai amak thong hai ba mana hai ba like say is a collection of stories for children whose first published in May 1888 hai ba chahi sida mana Sigi like Siponga, Masida, Wari Manga, it contains 5 stories. I have Wari Manga, half the car. Aduga Aiba said, Pope was there. Yaracosta, 16 October 1854, Dublin, Ireland, Habisa Poepa. Aduga Man Lake Hidamashina, 30th November 1900, Paris, France, the Lake there. I could see my imitation to Congress. Sigi Parasiam, Posible Parama Kanishida, I could not Parasi Kambaba, Kambaba Morel. Lessons ye kona ekona lessons de kona kai lotion bag kai solution bag kana ba kona thabam torgari thabuk to kona kana na bane to dise kana to thabuk se kana antana to de u thai du kaino urum phanglam ni mai cha nam ni natra aduga ate te kana sing sulo no like that the night kana parasiki moral je generosity creates happiness while selfishness creates misery hanba once again I repeat come torke generosity creates happiness while selfishness creates misery. Mingonda puchil sa awama tawsina nungai ba khona le. Nang mingonda pithok pasini hele nungai ba. Ko cinema haning ise aduna aduga generosity creates happiness puchil sa awasina khoi nungai ba khona li while selfishness puchil pixel la de mingonda pithok ta ba mi gi minusi yeng da ba du ta di ke dore creates misery awa ba oyaba. Ekoi haina boleh dina ko peshaji bora ma hidu pada nu ngam de do angang macham le di kedo ba nu du nu ena haidi nusi buse phange ba ko angang si de ko nusi buse pire mangon du ko na nungai buse phangne akoi angang do nusi du pire ma na ko nungai du pire nohon mangam le ko sini para si de ko no police am seasonary para si da akoi na moral di para si ki loction ba ba maru ba akhona tamjaninga ba du machap tu ni akhona sajat isap na tamma ya bu ko pautang paurong ha se thim sida kari thim madi ko mai masra ma khayo ye parasida mana parasida kun ba masak sagat pasle ba du masak ko ko thim na samjhan ji humanity mi ever bi sajat se सी मतंग दा पल मी ओइता दी कई तो मी ओरगदी आइना मागी मतेंग पांगनी मानसो आइगी मतेंग पांगनी I have to care for them then मोइना अइंगोंदसु care तो बिरानेबा आइना मोगी दमक तो वागदबनेबा आइना मोगी दमक तो खनगदबने मोइना सेगोंदा खनबिरकदेनेबा का अदुगा kindness services चेंगदने मिनुसी चावबा थौजाना रायबसे को नंगा मिंगोंदा मिनुसी चावबा थौजानाबा लेतारबा sure you will get love from them नंगा मिंगोंदा थौजालाबा मतौ उतारगदी केदोरे नंगोंदा नुसीबसि फंगनी नुसीबा फंगदी नंग केदोबा salvation aran kubam phangbai adu share the peace size ko kitang araibuda peace se phangdoine ko oren selfish zainzi ma je aroi buda aran kubam phangdoine asing magadi am phattaba mine ma je handra adu akom buda aran kubam phangna santi one ponsi je tangdu leita na chakhidoine madu yengse miyo ba bisi kanam tana hinnuga leite dana ko adu khoi thoi pan sing se nom tra nom ni dum thadok tuna da bang pan je chatle adu chatpada poloi da nuai bhai tare ko adu nuai ga chakhibra wa ga chakhibra hayu characters sida saritra sing hai khoina adu ga khoi gi lon da prasangsa laga di saktam langiru sing khwaidi gi malu riba da jain paraji gi hero wai tar ma lo chana ko ma gi matang nam tang khoina mahabharat ramayana irize ko ma ha ma da ku ra mini ratnakar adu gi bed vyas an all ga mahabharat si ni ko smai ko ma ji phatta wa rambadi ke war ka ba apaboi gi de ko aduga the children angang mayam no yawani sida khoina ko hai bangang mayam du wari utai bu sana bu diaw de du bangang mayam du khoni su uthori ko ki wa atang yaw bu wari yaw bu sana ro bu ko ma ga yam tai mo nge du ma mo gi kitang pik na yaw ka the legless boy pai pik bu no pa ma cha me yaw ne ma ba ni sine horen wari samjar ka dus ma ba ni si am close hoy ka dus ko adigi si maung le ko aduga si ni je muk samaga tala ga handak ti ko personification haidna adama sinari koi sisinna koi kai tara masi thawai pan pose thawai pan kadini ko si literary term amani literature sin of art makhala makami ko yamna hisin sin ba unje thawai pan de na ona un maksa masa dini ko aduga first aina kha pawa tasela pa ya ba kararu mo posin sin lechin mang phai thang bu ta ni aduga note bi na kan kan no si panung si ni hell hai kan nail ni trees hai upam bi si hai bu je ore thawai pa la wa loi ngang ka ni oscar wilde sin ko ni thawai loi pa la ka ni ko aduga sa symbols spring yening tha ulak pai si basanta gi matam koi si da ga yening tha masi upam lo kana le na happiness mana happiness ule yening tha jina happiness yening tha la din nungai winter ningtham thaladi suffering awaba otleba ko that is pain chaina ningtham thajina kai on masakuleba awaba aduga yening thajina happiness kane lakani yening thalagi harauba winter lakanda nuai to paraji gi matang da dum phami ko masi kana no phangja selfie zaina phangbi ko mongon de nuai wa musun awaba phawni mathang lakani white blossoms an ango laising sali ko hai bango laising duna kari masak put ke purity sacredness salvation moi asing bai bani ko yam sing ba dharma gi ba sui aran hu yaw da sacredness asing bai ni salvation aran kumon ni peace and some naga for ma last scene ne si hero ma si ba kan sida yam nungai na ma gi mo ango bol lai sing ko pa ga thamam be na ma na sa se adu ma gi soul ji harau na isor ga na pa ga chakhi de ne bu ko adu kana gumba masi matang da critical as my high ko should the period say selfish zainzi massive and of the high of the littlest boys na low lakni hawa littlest boys na wa kan most selije kana kan Jesus Christ ni na hayo ko Jesus Christ na masiko low lakni ni aroi buda ang say little boys e eduwa mo English to smile hayo ko children are the source of happiness ang jingjina ko akoi ni we begin nungai bigi horok from ni and it symbolizes happiness adu mo masajima nungai bigi sakam je mo na अखोगी खुदम से मोइना अदुम ओइजरेबो को अदुगा आइना सु हाइगिबो सिगी लुपा मचा सिगी द लिटलेस बॉय जे सिगी माइटबो द लिटलेस बॉय वाज जीसस क्राइस्ट इन डिसगाइज फिजोन सेपा अंगांगी फिजोन सेपा अदुगु जीसस क्राइस्ट ना प्रभु यीशु ना लापि मसकने ना को द व्हाइट ब्लॉसम सिंबलाइज द प्यूरिटी एंड सेक्रेटनेस अदुगा व्हाइट ब्लॉसम अंगु बोले सिंगुना कइरोबा सेक्रेटनेस असेंगोली मसक एंड प्यूरिटी अदुगा असेंग हरनि को थमोय दोबा amang bayang doba achum boy ko adugi masak tu li that is na nuai ba ꯑꯔꯥꯟ ꯈꯨꯕꯝ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯗꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯦꯔꯤꯖꯟꯁ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯒ ꯆꯥꯡꯗꯝꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯥꯡꯒ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯡꯗꯝꯅꯤꯅꯣ ꯄꯔꯥ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯥꯡꯗꯝꯅꯩ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯡꯗꯝꯅꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯁꯤꯝꯕꯣꯜꯒꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯄꯤꯅꯦꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯝꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯋꯤꯟꯇꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯁꯐꯔꯤꯡ ꯄꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯝꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯞꯅꯤꯡꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯁꯣꯔꯁꯇꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯋꯤꯟꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯜꯁꯣ ꯁꯤꯝꯕꯣꯂꯥꯏꯖ the passage of time matam gi khongset pusu makhoina symbolize tore adu kamaina matam da hogi ba masu hauji loi ba matam do ko adu ta adu de khoi sigi matek se chara pa ma khange hoji de khoi pararam da mu mukto mi do mathau ta re ko pararam da sanga si adu ga khoi na para sigi khangba ya sing khangji adu ga wari matem tang hana samari yam ten ba so amai haram ga du maga tamina ro ji ko leikol ama le mi hai ba leikol si yam na faze तसेंगना पुनिंग हुना फजबा लेकोलनी संबानरबा उपाल कया होबा लेपाल कया होबा उहै कया यानबा उसेक सिंग खोदाना साजबा मफम हाय मफम सिदने अंगांग सिंग सुनुमी खुदिंग स्कूल हलागा मफम सिदा साने हायबा लेकोल सिगी खोगी सेकना खाजिनबा अचौबा इंखोल अमगी मनुंग लेबा लेकोलनी अदु अचौबा युम अमगा ले मोय मिस्टर कैसल हायको हायबा युम से कनागिनो हारगदी सेल्फ डिजाइन जिगिनी को सेल्फ डिजाइन जी के चौबा युमनी महाक सिमागी ममानबगी मयुमदा सही तरेट अमुक चखिबनी ममानबगी मयुमदा लेग्रे मतम अंगांग सिंग मागी लेकोल जे चंगा नुंगाइना पेना सानजरे अदुगा अंगांग सिंग लोइना लेरांग सिंग उपाल सिंग उसेक वया सिंग इंग सिपा तप नुंसि सिंग पुन हराव नुंगाइना लोइनरी अदु सही तरेट की मतुंग मा मागी थबक तो लोइदना ममानबग उनबा मोखैगी थबक तो लोइदना लाए लाकांददी केदोरे मान चंग पुद अंगांग सिंग सानबदु उरेने अभी मानो हे कना कना तो सानरी बदो सानबे यारोय चक्र चलो मसिदी आई खत्ते ही होइगदा बोले कोनी आयाब यावदना चंग सिंगदी दंदी फंगनी मई जाय ना हेदना को मी चाबा ngamba अचौ मी ने बा अंगांग सिंग उये नो वदि को खोइगे नो वदि मदगी मसक तु वदा माई ओ या को कोंदियो दो नु खा को न खंग वदि अंगांग नु चेंगा अदगी अंगांग नु चेंगा चंग ट्रैक नाम हो मा मथंद ले मादी नुआय न खल असेंग गिरे कोई मिवे बसी नाइटोम लेबा यादे कोई पुना ले कान दे कोई नुआय बसी फंगदोइनी को अतोम दा कोई असिन सु खंबे है मैं हिवा कोई जे मैन इज अ सोशल बीइंग एन हाइबा मैन इज सोशल बीइंग एन कोई हि मिवे बसी पुना ले मिने दि यादबा दु मम कांबु अमने बा अदुना कोई तो खाय खाइदोन दे कोई नुआय सुम फंगवा मसी में कोई खंजिन मिनसी अदुदगी दि अंगांग सेर कांदि मा मथल ले कांदि के दोरे मतम खरगी मतुम दि निंथम थगी सीजन जे विंटर जे लाप कांदि अंगांग जुल सानद्रे मागी ले कोलजे अदुगा निंथम थागी उन मकुप सिंग लाप होरे अदुगी दि उन अपो बो सिंग ले कोलसे तासिले अदुगी दि उन सिंगुना कन सिपन नुसि से बाटो नमु तोरे ला हे सिदि कनाम सानदे एखोय उन सानसिल ला हायदो अकन व नुसिला अकन व नुसिना मो लेंदम बाटोन तोरे सिदि याम नुगाय मफम ने खोय सानसिल ला हे हायदो मखोय न मफम से ओतन नैदना सानादना लावदना खोंदना युम थकना जे जिंगा मखोन गा जे हेक्ता अखोयगे जिंगा स्लेट हाय मोय दि पा अबेन जिंगा मखोल सी हेक्ता लेना थोमदा पत्रक हौरि गय पाले पांच देख पा युम जिगी सिमनी पोस्ट के जे ने खायक प तोसिदा माजे तम तमना मंगोन अवाबा पेक पा हौरे नेचर सिना को अदुगी मतम सिदा मासे वाकल खरदि सुम खजि खंबो एजिबु कई तो जाना अदगी दि अमु मतम gi with the passage of time with the continuation of the time ko asi lapodagi di matang khongchasi gi matung ina di tha khagi matung da di akoi bu de leibul lam sindu di ke do bayoning tha mu la ano pa pamdi gi aning hole na ken tha ru gi dana le pa sing chale ode di ku hai ale sek sing harau na mun bu hai sing sare le pa lak tu chek sing tong ga khonge adu bu ma gi da di ke do ra फंद्रे अदुगी मसक्तो अदुगी मोता निंथम थारो अदम स्टिल लेंगना ले मासे वखन नोय तो फावरे सेंगना ओ इनो मे आम लोइना बलाखगा इदि लात्रिसि बोन माने सुन खलगा न मिखरनि होग्रे मोमदे हिबो माना मागी थुंना मागी केनो दगी फमुदगी मान होगला ले यें कांददि मागी ले कोलजिगी अहो मखुल अमदा अंगांग सिंग दिसल कुई अंगांग सिंग दने दिसल पक होबगा मानी यंथो द मागी ꯂꯩꯀꯣꯜꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯎꯄꯥꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯥꯡ ꯁꯥꯠꯄ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯛꯇꯨ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯃꯥꯡꯉꯒ ꯌꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯁꯛ ꯂꯥꯎ ꯍꯣꯡꯉꯦ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯩꯄꯥꯜ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯥꯠꯀꯠꯂꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯉꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯑꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯒꯩ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯣꯜꯗ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯝ ꯊꯥꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯒꯤꯅꯤꯗꯅ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯍꯧꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯦꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞ ꯂꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯍꯥꯡꯇꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯍꯥꯡꯇꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯣꯜꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯒ ꯆꯪꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯎꯕꯗ ꯀꯤꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯆꯦꯟꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯔꯥꯞꯄ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯔꯅꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯗꯤ ꯎꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯎꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯜꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯠꯇꯦ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯁꯨ ꯇꯣꯡꯗꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯝꯊꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯨꯟꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯎꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯗꯨꯗ ꯀꯥꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯇꯣꯡꯕ ꯐꯪꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯤ ꯆꯦꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯛꯁꯦ ꯎꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯐꯠꯇꯕꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯦꯟꯗꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯠꯇꯨꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯊꯨꯝꯍꯠꯂꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯥ ꯁꯦꯜꯐꯤ ꯖꯥꯏꯟ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯎꯍꯧꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯦꯜꯐꯤ ꯖꯥꯏꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯞ ꯂꯥꯎꯅ ꯐꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯎꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯠꯄꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯎꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯟ ꯁꯥꯠꯂꯛꯇꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯌꯦꯅꯤꯡꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯛꯇꯨ ꯕꯁꯟꯇꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯛꯇꯨ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯅꯧꯍꯧꯅꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯣ ꯁꯦꯜꯐꯤ ꯖꯥꯏꯟꯁꯦ ꯐꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯂꯨꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯎꯄꯥꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯐꯖꯔꯕ ꯌꯦꯅꯤꯡꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯣꯜꯗꯨꯗ ꯎꯔꯦ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯀꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯅꯅꯦ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯈꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯦꯛꯄꯜꯁꯦ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯪ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯣꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯆꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯇꯥꯁꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯍꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯌꯧꯔꯦ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯣ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯪꯉꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯗꯥꯏ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯎꯗꯦꯅ ꯃꯪꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯎꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯠꯂꯝꯗꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯃꯃꯥꯏꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯨꯞꯄꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯈꯧꯔꯤꯗ ꯆꯣꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯣꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯥꯖꯠ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯀꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯖꯦꯖꯁ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯀꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇ ꯎꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯅ ꯐꯔꯦꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯇꯥꯔꯝꯃꯤꯅ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯍꯜꯂꯛꯎꯀꯣ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯉꯥꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯈꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯆꯠꯊꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯥ ꯁꯨꯡꯂꯥꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯦ ꯃꯥꯅꯗꯤ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯉꯥꯏꯖꯔꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯡꯂꯥꯛꯇꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯪꯀꯥꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯎꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤꯅꯣꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯜꯐꯤ ꯖꯥꯏꯟ ꯃꯤꯖꯥ ꯎꯟꯖꯥꯕꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯕꯕꯨ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯗꯨ ꯆꯧꯀ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯌꯦꯡ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯝꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯌꯨꯛ ꯑꯃꯗꯅꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯅꯥꯎꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯡꯇꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯐꯤ ꯁꯦꯠꯅ ꯁꯦꯠꯅ ꯑꯌꯨꯛꯀꯤꯀꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯎꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯗꯣ ꯎꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯔꯣꯟꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯠꯆꯤꯜꯂꯔꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯀꯣꯜꯂꯕ ꯀꯂꯥꯞꯇꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯇꯨ ꯆꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯆꯦꯟꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄꯅꯦ ꯆꯦꯟꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯦ ꯂꯦꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤ ꯎꯔꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯆꯦꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯆꯦꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯦ ꯏꯍꯥꯟ ꯍꯟꯗꯨ ꯍꯪꯉꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯦ ꯆꯦꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗꯀꯣ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯎꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯜꯐꯤ ꯖꯥꯏꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯛ ꯆꯪꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯁꯥꯎꯅ ꯆꯪꯉꯦꯒꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯛ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯈꯣꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯌꯧꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯎꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯟꯖꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯗ ꯗꯥꯛ ꯑꯅꯤꯈꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯗꯥꯛ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯩ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯅꯪꯕꯨ ꯁꯨꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯅꯪꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯥꯡꯁꯥꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯇ ꯌꯥꯟꯊꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯎꯕꯗꯨꯃꯛꯇ ꯅꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯈꯨꯝꯃꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯀꯤꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯅ ꯅꯣꯛꯈꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯛ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯌꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯛꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯛꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯜꯐꯤ ꯖꯥꯏꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯃ ꯈꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯀꯨꯟꯊꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯪꯉꯦ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯣꯜꯗ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯍꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯆꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯅꯍꯥꯛ ꯄꯣꯊꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯕꯪ ꯂꯤꯂꯥ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯣꯜꯗ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯍꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯍꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯅ ngasi di ay nang nung sino to ba nang bunungay na bibo to do ere lao ngasi di nang ay gile ko sa kasi karam bale ko at yagi le ko da magyam ta le ko smain to na wari sab de gi di hanu du su harau na service an halo re se ma su harau na nga gi matung ilaga sakre aduga numit tu gi numidang wairam du di kai do re angan sing mahuksa gom hai ba magi garden du sanglo lakku matam da service zain do halo re service zain do ngasai angang dubu tungan gi upan do adugi makhong da madugi ango walai pal singa upan dugi ba kupsil laga siraga le smai to na wari si loisili adu ngasa hai do ekhoina mingon da nungai ba piba ngam taraga di ekhoina mingon da pukchil saw ba pina ba mataw taraga di ekhoi da return di kai fangai ba nusiba aduga pungna santi nungai ba fangai asiguna selfie zain do man hana leram ba yam patta ba sajat to hong to ga man afaba sajalum chatla kamedi minung si aiba thausan haiba adum sadada chala kamedi ke dore mase tunsi ga ro tang to nungai ni sona ma bu puri ga sappi ki ko asing mamma box ni ko mi ga pameri se tunsi ga ro tang ta ko isor gi mahum ko ya to sina le gi ko asigi masak ta pa kam dong na punsi da santi banga da ge ko ya to sina ta rum pa thadu ki ga da ge habi gi ko de pauta pi ba pauro ta pa dum ba the selfie design simply but very interesting. Khadi koi lesson wise some digest koi paragraph wise or sentence wise digest to me ta jado mi MC makasi di pararam da mo koi imnersi lesson lom da ka the selfie design title of the today's short story ka nasi ko na tan to parasigi wari masa mo sigi mami the selfie design ko ka selfie design ko idu maram karigino hai fintang aham da haram ge selfie design ko zi maram di ekona masi atra lagadi man angang jindu da ne nuksi na to do ba aham da mas selfish or selfishness ba ma masa mathandi gi oi jaw khan ba ka adu gi ne every afternoon as they were coming from school the children used to go and play in the giant's garden numidang wayang khudi angang sing sina school de gi like tam ba hala kan di magile course di hek sana jai. It was a lush, lovely garden with soft green grass. Shida masigi paragraph shida like sigi masigi describe tolkani. Masi amna chawba aduga achu amonba asangba napi sina than leba park sana leba dumba like kolamani. Here and there over the grass were beautiful flowers like stars. Nasai ahan the first comparison do ekhoina shida ubo phange yensika flowers ke stars comparison do flowers ke stars kamai to na compare to na hana hayamge atiada numidangi matam da than misak sing atiagi masak fajan bagum like cold di kanana fajali lerang sina maput thilaga jaga jaga sing do makhal machu kaya ge lerang sing duna fajahal le ko acho wala mangam le dina mang da lei sal fajai dana na ta di lei sa ta di kai phajani ko aduna fajaba ni pi bangamba amana tampak ta amana swargada sky da night sky da amana kedoba they brought nundin gi de khogi nundin gi mangan si da ko le kon ji phajaba pi bangamba le rang sing sina adu mabani phajaba ni magul ji mana bogi da makta mabani ji compare to ine ko here and there over the grass were beautiful flowers like stars thawan ni chakum na ning chiraba le rang sina mapang khuding da na pi singri matta fugaina nom na haina leng leng sa there were 12 peace trees. Naspati pambi tara in the springtime broke out into delicate blossoms of pink and pearl. Aduga masi yening thagi matamda mage sigumba apagi naspati pambi sigi leirang sing fugai na satkai ai puning suman ko lei masugi amasung apagi mukta masugi kongren manungda gi phangba nung makalni sanada khudokta nupigi nada aduga khudokta habnaba dumba angobo masugi nungdo in autumn bore rich fruit aduga mana nakin thagi matam yoksalaba habudi uhaina yanga matam sidaka mapung phana phajaraba oising yala the birds sat on the trees and sang so sweetly like khoi sek singna karaida upal singshida tunga nusi ne nusi makol khong dan lei sei sei hadi khong ni ko that the children used to stop their game in order to listen to them angang singdona sanabdo he lepi karigi usik sing khongbado harauna khongbado tainana how happy we are here they cry to each other when masel amaga amaga ni kaya du nungai bono ekhoi le kosta zain le tine sanabani one day the giant come back mahale nomadi he had been away to visit his friend the Cornish ogre or jana pabe deko ogre the Cornish ogre shida macha lubani magi mamana ban leidana and stayed with him for 7 years so he tarit leidani when he arrived he saw the children playing in the garden man halak patudadi angang singa sanarambado ma ure sigi makha chathadringai da ain noi ko Cornish ogre si kari no have sigi matanga samlakna hayonge Cornish ogre have si ko ekoina UK da leiba adugumba mafam amani a giant of Cornwall have ko UK da leiba hinjaba magi mafam ni haiba hinjaba si ngasai gi selfie giant ji gati na bani ko ogre is a cruel giant who eats people in legends and kaidoba fairy tales akoigi heloigi wari gumba aduga moigi thaine gi nungai ba wari gumba da yawba adugumba yamna tamchiba mi busu saba ngamba adugumba achoba mi jaw amane ko hin saba hizini adu isam samna di maji ke hebe ai yamna kihaningai gi masak oiba mi ma khane Cornish ogre hizi ko adu UK da leiba adugumba mafam amani a giant of Cornwall gi saba hizini ko sumaina khum nasi Cornish ogre mai konthok se wana bani adu da sanu bani mai tongan bawari batai mamana businga maga sanana what are you doing here nakoi xda kai toribno he cried in a very gruff voice yamna akibugi masak oiraba akal aring bagi phonda to mana lawe kai torino nakoi sida and the children ran away adugi masak to the angang no hom thado how siengre ki dana ko my own garden is my own garden like call say aigi ni aigi oiriba kanam te oibe ya anyone can understand that and I will have nobody to play in it but myself I isai thana sanagada bani masida kanam su changaloi masimi khring man khangada bani insabu gun hai chadjai so he built a high wall around it adi akoi budamana kaidore kanam changdana wai dana like call si oi ni khajile chepal and put up a notice board adu mayam be khana na ba notice board ama chema thame ira trespassers will be prosecuted ayabu yaudana sangba mi singbo dandi pigani I'm yobu dandi pibuka he was a selfish giant maji amna masagi de ojabu khanba du gumba jaba mani kari ga hai no angang singbo luna to da leiba photo share to mena da ba adu phattaba wakal chen begini ma boi kana selfish giant hai ji ko ningon de pitong da ba ma ge reba photo mi ge share to mena da the poor children had nowhere to play now angang singbo ti no aina sana ba mphom da leitre mang re they tried to play on the road lambi sanasira haidana ngang lambi da musane but the road was very dusty and full of hot stones lambi da sanaru badadi uful na thanna lebo ola asangba amon mana pi oidaba aduga haipal leipal gi nusiba leinam adu usek sing nuai na khomba ta bu adu gi mohta sorok tu di kari uge bu akal lakan manung sing ta ure nuai ba pandre sanabam pandre they used to wander around the high wall aduna to phongkhom da angang sinduna akoi bu da khari ba leikol du da khari ba akoi bu wall do phlang do seki adi akoi da hang da koi na chale and talk about the beautiful garden inside aduga mamina di uba phangraba aduga wang na khai bu chepal du gi manung da leiga ba phajaraba leikol gi mam da wakhal na pukning na madu gi nuai bu sagat cheduna kaya da nuai khaba hai du moi maseng marta wari sana dun le how happy we were there they said to each other amana mada kaya da nuai khaba koi se the spring came and all over the country there were little blossoms and little birds aduna leibak sin mathuna andam sin mathuna anoba yaning tha amu lakre ning tham thagi matam loi gi yaning tha matam yoksile ko but in the garden of the selfish giant it was still winter hojikti ning tham tha loi gi dana koi ba mafam khuding maktadi maling mafam sin moi lebak tadi kai dore yaning tha lakre adu hojik su selfish giant dugi kaino dadi magi garden dadi winter oi mahok sale ni da sauri yening thana changin le mai manata mau fa to na kai chang hai no ko. The birds did not come. Loina na mau salayan bina lakta bada angang sindro lakta bagi mau salayan bi laktre angang tu sangan dabani mau salayan bi chang yadre hai bidi spring na chang yadre spring sang radi ke dore mathang soitra ja iche sing laktre. The birds did not come in it as there were no children. Angang sing lakta bi iche sing lakta and the trees forgot to blossom. Leirang sing so Leipaldo, Sarpado, Kaugre. The only people who are pleased were the snow. Yung mga sign of personification da. Season lagi ba? There snow, frost, north wind, hail, trees. See, matang si Friday of Salaniko. Yang see? The only people who are pleased, me na mo ba? Nate ko, do personification. Me do not find hapsel laga, wang ang halaka to diba? Ayi ba siya? Where the snow, unduni, and the frost, hina, the snow covered the grounds with great white cloth. Unsinduna magi asang manapi sing hana hormado at the mataka assembly ango papa p manakupsin bagamana creek. And the frost painted all the trees silver adu hana horamba asang bagpal sing suka sanama chu wai palambo pal sing du di dore lupa masu silver masu ango masu. Then they invited the north winds to stay with them. Makoy the leminanaba kan na siliba du kan manusyo north wind bu batun tore. Amuk untay neta nusi sisal ladi kay dorani kahena ingani insiko. And he roared all day about the garden. Adu balay kudu the nangana loud na kongana sitna adum le. And blew the chimney post down. Adu ga yungi kogi matuanda may kutong na bahapa. Makul machin tungkat pama lagi ni wa dona u dona ba moi di siap na mai ke meri changkal ga pik pam happen me ku to ing mai tha gi ko adu ni simni po sai ko ko di siap sabon ga u wa me ku to khon do adu go mani adu gi simni post ju inthure no shitana this is a delightful spot machi don don no mai ka mo khom ni ne he said man hai not win adu ni ena personification wa ngang halakni thoi pa halakni ha ko we must ask the hell on a visit. So the hell came every day for 3 hours. He rattled on the roof of the castle. Till he broke most of the sleds. Yun din matin ko bi ayam the sleds ay mo halantai ko yung maitelon ya ko na hansing da hango ko mama ho da sled na ko ni iram bane ko kanguru to la adu mo potani adu khara mo no ano ba model ni ye ya ga di ko gi yum da makat ahi bisne kupado adu ni sled. And then he ran round and round the garden as fast as he could go. Hek ngam ni makai mahana hek yang ne tamadi apoi with le ni na sanare mu chikana pure ka chale yang ma sele pung hum le ka sele ta ayam to ga ayo ni ta. He was dressed in grey machu walk thana machu officially and his braid was like ice controlled soldana unbun ingi nuai ro sektam oi ro ni ka wa ro oi ni. I cannot understand why spring so late in coming. The selfish Zain, highlight manaka, selfish Zain in Hanzare. Can you know I like Washida who you power? I encourage that a sook tail of a powder, Ningham, Yening Tamana Laki. As he sat at the window and looked up at his cold white garden, no throw, nor unna Palava Dumba, like all Inga with the Maduga Magi, Unicar, Mundi Toma, to Yang, Wakaljiman, Killer. I thought there will be saints in the weather. I know so. Hazabadi, Pompam to Ian, Haze, Pongani, Sin. But spring never came, nor the summer. Yening Tasulakide, I in Gudiki Komanava, Kalian Masulakide, Amatalakide, Monsale, Bina Sauga. The autumn gave golden fruit to every garden, like old pudding the D, Adumba, autumn Matam the D. Hypal Sina, Magi, Lay Sindhi Mahigo, onto a Hypal, onto a Hypale. But the giant's garden, she gave none. Adubu, autumn hai bu lai listen ko ma gi ri karim ta pibi de maram di kari gina man hai he is too selfish she said ma di am no je thi mini ma si pi wa musi so it was always winter there aduna mafam du da matam chupada pamnadra ba aying ba nin tam thai dun le gami and the snow danced about through the trees upal singi ku marak amadagi amada chongdana ningtham thagi ayingba un singana jagoi sagana lerame unna mataki proper tarpado that is jagoi saboi uliba one morning no mayuga maitha phajadana the giant was lying awake nikap thorko matamda mahana in bed phamung the nikap thorga long na leba matamda when he heard matamda man tagi some lovely music nusiba makhol khara shekar tala phane. It was really only a little linnet singing outside his window. Madu thangai sengamak matang kui na taru dabagi matungda yam na nusi na makol khomangamba apik pa usek amak nusi ne sei khomangamba linnet haiba usek tugi makol agini habasi mahang khale. But it was so long since he had heard a bird sing in his garden that it seemed to him to be the most beautiful music in the world. Asuk ina mana taru drabnina asiguma mana taru konjela se mangonda di kari wa dum kala prithvi manunda khwadi gana fazara isai ma du konjela mangonda dum kala sigi the world spelling do l yaw dabni madu hapsilo then the hell stopped dancing over his head magi yungi matakta magi koki matakta tashin badona na sagai tarmal len sing dum makol stop hai the north wind ceased roaring asai loudly kronan leramba North wind do adusu makota kite tuminna later seas got left and a delicious perfume came to him through the open window thongnao do satlong hangto bada nusiba leinamna hai gi manamna wing law hai pal gi manamna mali naton de year mangon no I am power by the crop I believe spring has come at last oh mamai thang sida kaya da nungai ba hujiti I Pazare Madudi Agi Mapunda Agile Corsida Yenin Talakli said the giant. And he jumped out of bed and looked out. How on a magic pump did you jump to the Mapandi? What did he see? Karibunaman Ui Sibo. He saw a most wonderful sight, quite again money through a little hole Apipomakulamada in the wall, Manakagi or Palando. Adu Apipomakulamada. The children had crept in Angansi, listen for the Mahurami, and they were sitting on the branches of trees. Upal Sinduki Masasing the Tongami. In every tree, Upal Kudinda, that he could see Man Ubamami, Kari Ubamami, see there was a little child. Upal Kudinda Apipangam, Ritonga. And the trees were so glad to have the children back again that they had covered themselves with blossoms. Layang Sindu Untung Haral Grehuditi Aduna Bu Layang Sindugi Masa Sindu the Anobal Ipal, Oina Matang Sakare, Anoba Masugi, Ping Machugi, Pearl Machugi, and wrapped their arms gently, massaging no in a high room length crop. Wept over high line. Above the children's heads, the birds were flying about, twittering, around with delight, and the flower looking up through the garden to the green grass living. Aduga layang sindu su yan kalaglami. Adugumba nukmiraba pagi asang banapi singadudagi matakta. On Katuna Layang Singusu, Angan Singuno Toriba, Singuno Toriba, a Palik Pansing Tori Young Lam. On Tom Pazagro Masama, Ure, I will spring laka. It was a lovely scene, but in one corner it was still winter. On Tom Adi Pazavadi Ure, Adubukadore, like Goldu Arab Pakasinama Kadorani. It was the farthest corner, Quaidi people, Quaidi Kogi, Lapa, Matayudani, and it was standing a little boy, apik panupama chama lepam aina na sahiudo kai haiba aina silang sa masakta kiba angang sindigi marakta khwaidigi hena pik pa angang ama the littlest boy mabani unar kadore ko hojing mabani unarugi meeting pangko la kadore mabani thengna kadore. It was the farthest corner in the garden, and in it was standing a little boy apik panupama chama di madu letun le mi kapsilamada. He was so small, that he could not reach up to the branches of the tree. Upamidigi masasi yobong there, and he was wandering all round it. Udia koi the maset of him, koina haganda koina ka. Crying bitterly, hit me, make up the salami, kawala. The poor tree upai latrava upalduna. Upai latrava hanging ko tola. The shapai of the nate tola hiding was still covered with frozen snow. Mamma Tandanga and called the top toma caritoriba. Under pushing the lady with the car and snow. And the north wind was blowing and roaring about it. Magi Mataka di north wind just silly, Makonda Vidrava, Lenzu Tarakadoribani, Undasu Kupibani. Yemo, Sida attain a loin of beginning Kalakaga, a dig upal Dumakat Naitomoina, Under Kusilido, Karigi, Ananga Kadabagi. So they could Alpha Masakam walk on Bahoreko, like Sakizia Lever from Bahoreko. Climb up, little boy. Said the tree upalgun high. And it bent its branches head manangamilo magi masado to contact down as low as it could manangamilo. But the boy was so tiny, angang a suki maticula carbon there. The giant heart melted. Masig second siguru with the nap. In Sabri Tamoido, his younger Nuno Tamoido, as he looked out. Mat Nuaitava Mangonda Ningum the power. How selfish I have been, he said. Masan Hajare, I say Kaya the Minusili Udrava, Kaya the Wizard Tiludava. Now I know who they can lay. Why spring will not come here? Mangasaki hungry one, a little pop and panga. Karigino Lake also the ending Kala to the seven. Magic Hanga Marandi, Anangs the Lak, the beginning Tado, Maggie the Lak, the Winnie has a Mongo the Gantaza. I will put that poor little boy on the top of the tree, Upansiki Mataxidana, and then I will knock down the wall. I do the carry, but intugani, and my garden shall be the children's playground forever and ever. Matam Supukan Hagile Kolsizo, Angang the son of Pumpkin. He was really very sorry, Matasing and white of a poor meaning on the for what he had done, Manato Kibadumba, mistake, a soy Masana Kane, Malam, Kran, Tumtona, turning point, Tangado, Ayaziko, Mabani Punere, Angan Silapadi, Soshna, Tona, Bagi, Mabu, and Lamidi, Tumbalam, the Prona, Tanzama, P. Never, Madi Tanzadus, Man, San and Low, Simi Kudumutala, Twini, a question around, but told the Singam de Lamio of Siko, so the Valandam de Equation Shamton, Navigi Tanzase, Isona, Mamma Bagi the Sangera, Ozagi the Sangera, Natak Du Sangera. Nakata do Sangera, Nangu Shimigi Satam Lorga, Mongo the Sangera, Nanga to was server, I'm just from Tonomi Tanzaze. I could sue one day, so in the Peter in no Muka, Madui Tanza, they couldn't come and Lobotai, so the soy the no, I don't know Tana Zigri and I don't even. So he crept downstairs and opened the front door quite softly. Yam Tamna, Yam Tumina, Mana, Mama, Tong Hantore Kayoraga, Ahanbada. Patha Magi Sita, the Matara, and went out into the garden, like only the Chin Grand. But when the children saw him, Angang Sindanama, Ubakanda, the Harrow, Veda Harrow, what is a Patavan Palu in Saudi, they were so frightened. Sukimatic Kirami, Madudi Hepu make up to that, then they all ran away, all in a senior. The garden was in winter again. Yam Pasaw Satam me Angang Nusian you, Amona, Lingam da sad long by Mitrang Mong the god. Only the little boy did not run. Angang Dukatana Rechelo is a fighting pick no Pamata Uda Kabum on the Maram Karigi. For his eyes were full of tears. Magi Mummy to the peace in a Lula Tumakivana. That he did not see the giant coming. Giant Lakuma, Ubangam there, Mummy to the Tina Pra, hanging in a car. The giant stole up behind him, Magi Matunga Tumina sang Yamlona, and took him gently to Manusi Tanapiriam Tapna in his hands, Makutuna, and put him up into the tree. The tree brought at once into blossoms, Anandun Hekabuga Laidusu, Kudak the Laipal Sale, Got Yenin Hulaga, Noble Lation Satura, Cinema, the animation. Angang cinema, but I think lay pambi si mayon jara song ko mana sa thagi ba aduga pambi mas apagi anu yening laga lay jara sat ko growth kam thuna lay ba khun u phang adu mai to yam phajaw scenery and birds came and sang on it aduga le ucheksing to paisa le aduga mathak to khong tonga and the little boy stretched out his two arms mabu thagat people in Pamcha than a magi, a people could another, sang the thing to and flung them around the giant's neck and kissed him, gianting at some the Nuxina police on Silaga, I do the Nuxina Supi. Amita Sutin, the dear Sigma design city call, first experience to Magi Constitution. When the other children saw that Angan Atopus in Ganasing was Satamzi Ubasha, Giant Siga Padi people in Pamcha Ziga, Tongaris with the Mavani Satam Mavani, Momsi with the the giant was not wicked any longer. They came running back. Moi khangya madudi kaidore angang ina pure amona ma phatabu oidre habje khangya aduna angang sensale angang hilamo sensale pata hening tha ina ani and with them come the spring amu gening tha do mula come back hagedam haibu dunya ke so dai ba it is your garden now hojikti mase nangi like call oire na koi gi like call oire little children pig bangang sa said the giant man hare. He took a great axe, man, over Sinjanga Molotore, Aduga Kedore, and knocked down the wall, Palanga to guide a carry with Seki Palanga. And when the people were going to market, Miam, the Ketos at 12 o'clock, they found the giant playing with the children. Angang Sinduga, no, I am a good son of Duna, Jum Panduna, says I'm gonna son of the door, Giant Duga answered, Duga Puna Koro Poina, Miam. In the most beautiful garden they have ever seen. Adu maduna khwaidigena phajaba mayamdan uba malengum de khwaidigena phajaba leikon ni manam de karigena phajaraba leikol gi mathakta angang sindon nunga ina sanamda ka akoi adu amu hena phajaba masak hoina yeng da nunga ka masigi wari noi gi de iba para de sine English se phakha simple ma ga asengma masagi de ri ba English wari ga se khara hena koi gi literary oiba cinema all day long they played, and in the evening they went up to the giant, bid him goodbye. But where is your little companion? He said, the boy I put on the top of the tree. The giant loved him the most because he had kissed him. We don't know, answered the children. He has gone away, you must tell him to be sure to come tomorrow. Said the giant. But the children said that they did not know where he lived. And had never seen him before. The giant felt very sad. Every afternoon when school was over, the children came and play with the giant. But the little boy whom the giant loved was not seen again. The giant was very kind to all the children. How to keep giant pura all the same. Yet he longed for his first little friend. Years went by and the giant grew very old and feeble. He could not play about with anyone kanaga suma nasidi sanaba sanamina ba ngambagi thonadu mongodu yawde sole maramaduna. So he sat in a huge armchair achoba chokri amada koina nga tharaga phambaka khoike thaga peba chokri hado aram chokri hado koina ko adu chokri amada phamme and watched the children at their camps aduga angang singdo sanalibodo madu yengami and admired his garden magile kolduna mabsuman. That is hojiti sanaba mugyaw dusu magi nuai dusi krino they called the Pazabadu Yenzaba, Adu Anang Singanua and Sanribudo, Yangaga Magi Sunuai, Potazo. I have many beautiful flowers. I use Pazabalayam Kayama Sali, he said man high. But the children are the most beautiful flowers of all. Aduga Lerang Sinasima, the quiet again of Pazabadi, Anang Sinasnoy. Shidamutanga quiz a minasi, a whiteboard longa, Nasai High Gibu in a cough. Angang Singa. Lerang sila sangdam nai maram di karigino kanago mamra lerang bu yenga magi puminga nuai ba pani ko aduguna angang singdana sanari ba mataudo uragene janki wakhalda nuai ba pani khoi ju phangani ko angang na sanaba yenga yamna nuai ni ko noi di piliba makha thaba angang sila sanaba aduna nuai ba makhalani sipi ba ngambagi mawani se sangdam nari ko yaradra. One winter morning, he looked out of his window as he was dressing. Flowers garden children Suddenly, Mana no man in Tam Tagayumada, he Sesin Sesin and Magi Tona the Yemre. He rubbed his eyes, Mana Ita Tazatana. Suddenly, Kangamodana, Man, my mammy to Noi, in wonder, not let them know even and Uribusu Zumbazala, Landazala, Mangatanga. And look, do the room. It certainly was a marvelous sight. Matuta saying na Yamna Angapopa, Yamna Nungaiba. Side of the sector God. In the farthest corner of the garden, Nasagiyam Lapa, Leko Lizagado, Upamim Hogidana, Mintamta Dumogiba, or a salon in Tabogiba, Nantonakanda, was a tree quite covered with lovely white blossom. You know, housing Mintamta, Amu Oirabani, Yenin Tagi Matam Loikidana, Adu Leko, quite a lapa catchilamadi, Upambi, Amakatama, Kaidorami, Yenin Taguna, Adum, Anumapan, Satana. Using Tungana, mention Tapna, Humba, Tapna, Zagoi Saudun Lerame. God, Mintamda, wait a minute. Its branches were golden, Masas, Dosana, Masu Malami, and silver fruits hung down from them. Aduga Lupa, Masu Mana, Uhaising the Nian Tarlami, Sanaga, Lupaga, and is a Punjali, Tonopazi, Hainiga, Duni, Haish. And underneath it stood the little boy he had loved. Aduga Upadi, hey, Makadu. Man and sign she's a given Pamachado, live in the layer. Matuki second of the Makamundre, a sword Mamak and Kalewakala. Downstairs ran the giant in great joy. No, I will not Tumandava Masado, no, I will Magi steered the Katang children and out into the garden, like Kundutan changing it to the crop. He hastened across the grass, Taha, a sword Makala to rowing on Mana. Napi Zimatata, Taha, Tessengo, doing our Jelum, they don't have an answer Manaki, Muniko. You may give up, what could the younger Manaki, and the Lunas for me, Yomundo, at the Taha Gentleman. And went toward the child around the young essentially, but when he came quite close, his face grew red with anger. Magi, my tongue there. Assume, garbage mummy, some solar putting mummy, mamma is in Angel, go. And he said, I do a man sour him. Who has dared to warn you? Spicy in English room, Manade, you go. English Arubi, I'm like a top of the car. Similar Kitan light on the who has dared to warn you? No one the Tona Parabakan, no was on lips. Wound the sort of period, say not people. For on the palms of the child's hands, Nangi Angang will get taught no Kubatuda, where the prints of 2 nails, Cousin Mumini Dario. And the prints of the little feet, adu apipa khongi mami su ta ko who was there nangi khong mami ta ni ko adu who was there to warn you kana no da sohan manga mi thona le bisa cry design giant law tell me engon da hai that I may take my big sword atuba thantang we no ruge and slay him ma bu soy that is yala hatok asawre anga nusi sida anga is so proper ma sawre ko laman congress no nothing answer the child anga no pa kumpire but these are wounds of love masidi nusi bagi khudamni nusi bagi chain anabani asopni ko nusi bagi asopra nusi bagi dapni haire khuzare ko who are you angan sigi pakum zaman hang tam nang bukana said Zion and strains fell on him adu angat amukta paul khidu akiba magi mai thong na mami tarami AWE pawda ana bai ko makhona fear and wonder akiba ga angat pullo and he knelt before the little child angang gi mamang da kudu kudak kulami makhane angang sam angang nate ti se no kana gumba amana sayon tawaga lapani and child smiled on the Zion aduga magi matawdu da angang sina su ma khangi ha ji khangdana kaido mangon no fetto adu hai you let me play once in your garden nang na noma nang di lekol sida ayu harau na nuai na sanan ki mado ayu nuai bu matum oi ki ko today you shall come with me to my garden ngasili ayu lekol salasi karamba lekol which is paradise mado swarga gi lekol mabani goli sanabado meeting du chidal lo shale ba first meeting ani second meeting chidal lo shale ko ma bu han bala padana ma bu semdo pirame aran badigi achumbaro ma chalan birame ani subugi sana ma se sume phare khalawni na ma bu santi hoina hingjaru na ishwar ma gi manakta unsi garu miku du pugi ga sakti ki doi and when ma chat kheko ma sile chat ki ba ji si gi budune and when the children ran in that afternoon angang sidun numida wairam amu magi le ko du chen selak padadi they found school halaga chen selak pada John lying there under the tree ngasai maban no wari sanari ba arapa kachin lahori ba the cold gi upal gi makhong gi all covered with white blossoms siduna tarami kaidoraga masapum ango leirang singuna kuplaga parasi gi ba Oscar Wilde the shalom sabsi am fajabe very emotional fajaba video ki thio du yento very interesting meaning sus riawe Cornish ogre a monster from place called Cornwall in England the leba dugumba mafum amada leba ko adugumba hisaba mani siriya ko se phare adudi mathangi video da ai mo question answer analyze tarong thaglake parasi sangmin ai suwai ko ngasi bye bye